All Things Collectibles, doing a box break of the '09 Prestige basketball, 4 hits a box. It's the first product made by Panini for basketball, so it should be good. 24 packs. Got the base card design. They actually have old people in here like Dave Bing. Let's see. Got a rookie number to 999 of Omari Capsey, something like that, for the Kings. Gerald Henderson rookie. That's it. Let's see. I guess the rookies are going to have them in their new uniforms, which is nice. Got a Jeff Teague rookie. So you're probably going to get a rookie every pack. They'll probably put some short prints in here like they did with the football, but unfortunately you will not know who they are until it's too late. Jack McClinton, numbered out of 999. Then a Jordan Hill rookie. We're looking for one of the Kobe Bryant autographs. Dwayne Wade Stat Stars. James Johnson rookie. More base. B.J. Mullins rookie. Got a Taylor Griffin bonus shots. Some kind of subset. It's numbered out of 25. Then a Jeff Pendergraph for the Blazers, rookie. Got a Eric Maynard draft card, not numbered. Chase Budinger, rookie. Still hadn't gotten one of my 4 hits though. And then I finally get one. I got a Stephen Curry. He's from around here, so that'll be kind of good. Jersey, not numbered. And then a Patrick Beverly, I guess how you say his name, rookie. Got another Patrick Beverly rookie, numbered out of 999. Jermaine Taylor rookie, not numbered. Got a Jody Meeks rookie. Oh, I got one of the draft cards of Eric Maynard. It's numbered out of 125. And then an AJ Price rookie. I don't know much about that Maynard, so I don't know if he's any good or not. Got a Chris Paul franchise favorites, not numbered. And a Tariq Evans rookie. Got a James Johnson draft picks card numbered to 999. Then I got the Blake Griffin regular rookie. Larry Bird. Got a Stars of the NBA. Oops. Vince Carter, not numbered. A DeMar DeRozan rookie. I should have 2 more hits coming. And there's another one. Chris Bosh, numbered out of 250. Single color jersey. Jrue Holiday rookie. Chris Paul Prestigious Pros, numbered 7 of 25. Nice low numbered one, and a, I don't know how to say his name, Ragu Babos or something like that. His rookie card. Sam Young rookie. DeJuan Summers draft card, not numbered. Garan Sutton. Got a World Be Free. Got another Blake Griffin, which I think the picture is different than the one I'd gotten previous. Yeah, it is. Got 2 different Blake Griffins, so one of them is probably a short. No, they both got different numbers, so I guess he's got 2 cards in this set. Makes no sense. Guess they figured he's going to be popular, so they'll throw him in there. Got a Mo Williams Prestigious Pros, number to 500. Lester Hudson rookie. And I got another autograph of the guy, I can't say his name. Rodrigue Babos or something. Numbered out of 499. He is a first round pick from France, so I guess he's alright. Got a Johnny Flynn rookie. Earl Clark rookie. David Lee Hardcourt Heroes, not numbered. Darren Collison, or Darren Collison. And a Johnny Flynn, number to 999 draft picks. And a Wayne Ellington, rookie. Alright, thanks for watching.